Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to easily download the folder containing our app code. It's really simple. Once our whole app has been created, all you have to do is click on this icon on the top right. It will give us a code preview, but also give us the chance to download it thanks to Download Folder. An automatic zip file will be downloaded. Within it, we will find the folder containing our app. At this point, let's open a trustworthy editor, for instance like Visual Studio Code, and correctly import all of the content, selecting the folder among our files. Once the emulator has been selected, which can even be your phone if connected by cable, you could see your app on your smartphone. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!